Hey Ethereum! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media. Top 4 Best MagneticFidget Review. Number 4. This fidget spinner gyro C-section ring combines advanced black technology with ratchet and magnetic mechanics for a unique decompression experience. Made for adults, it's both a stylish toy and an EDC stress reliever. Perfect for relaxation and entertainment, this innovative tool suits. Number 3. Specifications. High concerned chemical. None. Material. Metal. Brand name. WP. Origin. Mainland China. Certification. CE. Recommend age. 14+ Y. Number 2. Description. Material, stainless steel. Size, outer diameter 3.56 cm, weight, 53.22 g. Fidget toys for any occasion. These relaxing edge toys are pocket-sized and lightweight. This way you can easily keep these delicate toys in your pocket. You can play anywhere in the office, home, church, subway, station, etc. Number 1. The Lorty Mechanic Ring Fidget Spinner is a premium adult anti-stress toy, crafted from high-quality metal with magnetic and ratchet mechanics. This versatile EDC tool combines a stylish ring design with a satisfying fingertip gyroscope for stress relief, making it an ideal desk accessory for office or everyday carry enthusiasts. If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.